welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Illegality in recruitment process of animal husbandry. Question papers of written tests were leaked. Medical tests skipped. BJP demands inquiry by Anti-Corruption Bureau into the scam. A cable suspended old loading crane of Mormugao Port Trust catches fire. Estimated loss of 5 to 8 crore rupees. Mormugao Municipality Chief Officer issued permissions to Ganesh Benzoplast tanks by bypassing the council, violated a basic norm. Watch special report. Goa's Neeraj Saripalli continues in joint lead with Anirudh Bhatt at Fomento All India FIDE rating chess. 4 Goans in top 5 promise exciting final day. And big companies interested in Tilak and Fatorda Stadium job. Tilak tenders to be opened on 3rd September. Work order will be released immediately if tender is in order, says Elvis Combs. And now the news in detail. Scam in recruitment process in Animal Husbandry Department has come to the fore. BJP has alleged that the question paper for written test was leaked during selection of candidates. Moreover, medical test of the candidates was also not carried out. BJP has demanded an inquiry by the Anti-Corruption Bureau. Spokesperson of the BJP, Wilfred Mesquita, said that jobs were created without any assessment by Work Study Unit of Administrative Reforms Department.
Today morning, I have congratulated our Chief Minister for the bold step he has taken in sending the selection of the mining department to ACB. And I requested him that likewise each and every department should be sent to ACB to start with animal husbandry. The whole selection process is vicious, is irregular, is manipulated. Resident address of various candidates of different places, Mormugao, Penji, Vasco. But the resident certificate is all from Ponda. The jobs were created without assessment report of the Work Study Unit. This paper had been leaked. Further, they circumvented the medical test and the character assessment test by invoking FR10. This is an invitation which Congress leaders, so-called leaders, I don't consider them leaders, I don't, but so-called leaders, they are trying to ditch their own people. And we will see to it that our Chief Minister, irrespective of what people say, that his revengeful is bad, but we will see to it that he does justice to the people of Goa. People of Goa wants to know each and every fraud.
की आपण त्या युथाक घेवपासून ना ताचेर अन्याय करू सोदीत म्हणून सांग आनी कांय उलोवपा नाका आनी पोतपोतून सांग नाका तांकां पयलीं सांगिल्लें बाबा अमके दिसा यो मागीर अमके दिसा यो मागीर पंचायत इलेक्शन जालें मागीर आनी कितें जालें मागीर लास्टाक फॉर्म बरें म्हणपाक लागलो कोण आनी कितें करें म्हणपाक लागलो आज पासून डिविजन चलता सगळी स्किम्साचेर गव्हर्मेंट स्किमाचेर पासून सगळें इट लुक्स लायक दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज रन ओनली फॉर वन पार्टिक्युलर स्पेसिफिक बीजेपी पार्टी आनी कांय न्ही.
A cable-suspended old loading crane of Mormugao Port Trust caught fire on Thursday, resulting in an estimated loss of 5 to 8 crore rupees. The reason behind the fire is suspected to be short circuit. The fire totally gutted the operation cabin of the crane. At night around 12:30 a.m., a short circuit in this conveyor belt crane resulted in a fire. This fire gutted the operation cabin of the crane. Generally used for barge unloading, the crane wasn't in use for quite some time. The Mormugao Port Fire Brigade and the Goan Fire Brigade in synergy managed to douse the fire. But until the fire was doused, the main conveyor belt of the cabin of the crane was destroyed in the fire. The MPT has estimated a loss of 5 to 8 crores due to this fire. Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent. Chief Officer Agnel Fernandez bypassed Mormugao Council while granting permission to Ganesh Benzoplast at Bogda, Mormugao for constructing tanks and other facilities in the operational area. Chief Officer granted permission within 8 days of application. Watch exclusive report by Surendra Matkaikar. Prudent Media is in possession of the copy of permission letter issued by Chief Officer Agnel Fernandez. Mormugao Municipality Chief Officer gave permission to Ganesh Benzoplast for constructing tanks to store LPG without putting it in the council meeting. Permission was given hurriedly within 8 days of application. Ganesh Benzoplast had applied it on 30th July and the permission was granted by the municipality on 9th August. Mormugao Planning and Development Authority has already ordered demolition of these tanks within 7 days. However, Councillor Krishna Salkar, who is also the chairman of MPDA, is unaware about the permission. But he says authority will go ahead with the order.
माझ्या हिशोबान आम्ही आता लास्ट 500 मिटिंगांनी असे डिस्कशन कांयच ना गणेश बंदोबस्त
म्युनिसिपालिटी 9/8/2012 हेसा गणेश बेंजोप्लास्टाक टाकयो बांदपाक नव्यो टाकयो आनी त्यांची बाकीचे बिझनेस ॲक्टिव्हिटी चालू दवरपाक परमिशन्स दिल्लेली आसा. त्याच्या बद्दल तुमकां बीन कितें म्हायती आसा?
ना, कित्याक कौन्सिलान हो खंयच्याच मिटिंगाक हो प्रश्न वयर येवना.
चीफ ऑफिसरान बीन कितें तुमकां कळयलां काय कितें?
ना, म्हाका आमकां कांयच कळना.
तुमकां कांयच खबर ना.
When contacted, Chief Officer initially refused that permission was granted, but later, when he was told that we are in possession of the letter of permission, he admitted the fact and said it was for the construction of the tanks which were half constructed. He said it wasn't for any business activity and municipality is not the authority to give such permissions. He further said that there was no need to put up a proposal before the council meeting for permission.
Construction of the tanks are concerned, no permission has been given for construction of the tank.
Any council meeting has been taken this issue?
No, no council meeting has been taken. No, for business activities, no. There was no permission given for business activities. We cannot give, we are not authorized people to give for business activities. That letter was for the construction of that earlier tank that was already half constructed. They had obtained a permission from, they had obtained all approvals. Because of that only that was given, but no business activities.
Is that the permission has been counted in the council meeting?
No, no.
Approval from the councillors has been
No, approval of councillor is not needed.
Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.